Welcome to Knocking Taste Buds. Today we're going to be making crab curry. First we're going to be heating up 1 tablespoon sesame seed oil. Once oil is heated, add half tablespoon fennel, half tablespoon black peppercorn, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1/8 cup of sliced garlic, 1 cup of chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 3 branches of curry leaves, and now we're going to saute this until the onions become transparent. Once onions are transparent, add 1 cup sliced tomatoes, and now we need to saute this for about 4 minutes. Then we're going to transfer this into a blender where you can grind everything really well. Now we're going to dry roast half cup of shredded coconut. Dry roast this on medium heat, constantly stirring it until the coconut starts to change to a slightly brown color. Now we're going to be adding the dry roasted coconut to the blender where we had all the other ingredients that was sauteed. To this, now we're going to be adding half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 cups of water. Now grind this really well until everything becomes nice and smooth. In the same pot that we dry roasted the coconut, we're going to be adding 350 grams of crabs today. And to this, we're going to be adding all the ingredients that we have grinded. Now we're going to cook this on low to medium heat covered until the curry becomes nice and thick and all the liquid is reduced. Now we can see how beautifully all the liquid has reduced. The curry is nice and thick, just the way I love it, and you can reduce it even further if you like the curry to be more thicker, but I like it at this point. Thank you so much for coming over to Knocking Taste Buds. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe today and hope you try this with your family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Thank you again for coming over to Knocking Taste Buds.